All right, so this problem says a small plane flies 40 kilometers in a direction 60 degrees north of east, and then flies 30 kilometers in a direction 15 degrees north of east. Okay, this says use a graphical method to find the total distance. Of course, we're not going to do that because, so we'll do the algebraic way of solving this, okay? So, of course, you want to draw nice diagrams. 40 degrees, this is east, 60 degrees north of east. So 40 kilometers, we'll call this vector A, 40 kilometers, and this is 60 degrees. Okay. The second vector is 30 kilometers, 15 degrees north of east. So there is east, this is 15 degrees. Okay? So we'll call this B, 30 kilometers. This is 15 degrees. And what we want to find is the magnitude of A plus B. Yeah, so we'll find this vector. We'll find the entire vector, and then we can find the magnitude. And we want to do it algebraically. We don't want to do graphically. We don't want to measure this and all that. Yeah. So whenever you want to do an algebraic summation, what you want to do is you want to get A and B in terms of their components. Okay, so that's the first thing you want to do. So A is AXI plus AYJ, of course. AX is A cosine theta, which is 40 cosine 60, and that is equal to that's 20, and AY is A sine theta. Okay, and these formulas work as long as the angle is measured counterclockwise from the x-axis, which in our case is okay, and of course the units are kilometers. Okay, Bx is 30 cosine 15. See, for B, the magnitude is 30 kilometers and the angle is 15 degrees. All right, so A plus B is 20 plus 29I plus 34.6 plus 7 point, we'll call it 8J. Okay, of course the units are kilometers. We'll call this R. Okay. And magnitude of R is 49 square plus. Okay. Now we'll also find the angle. Okay. What angle are we finding in this diagram? Here is the resultant vector, and theta would be this angle. Okay. Now, when finding an angle, you have to be careful. The deal is tan theta and tan 180 plus theta are the same number. So when you take the tan inverse of this number, it has two solutions, theta and theta plus 180 degrees. And you got to figure out which one is the right solution for you. Okay? And the way you figure it out is you look at the components. Both these components are positive, so theta should be an acute angle. Okay? Theta should be an angle in the first quadrant. That's how you tell. Okay? All right. So theta is tan inverse Ry over Rx equal to tan inverse 42.4 divided by okay. And this works out to 40.9 degrees, and the other solution would be plus 180, 220.9 degrees. And obviously this is the correct solution, that's not your solution. Yeah. What would that solution correspond to? That solution would correspond to minus 49 minus 42.4.